Good morning, Group 52. It's a little strange when you think you've never actually seen your face, only a reflection of your face. This means that you don't always have the best perspective of who you are or what you look like. The Bible tells us, forsake not the assembly. One important reason is because affirmation of identity is impossible without true community. As you gather around other believers and find out how you've impacted their life, it will help you understand who you are, what your purpose is, and what you are called to do. Thank you, Group 52. Have an amazing week, and if someone has impacted your life in a good way, be sure to share it with them so they can get a better perspective of who they are. God bless you and have the best week of your life.